Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're rediving into a topic that's super important for all of us: how to build our financial strength and save money, especially as busy working women. We're juggling careers, maybe families, social lives, and a million other things. It can feel like our paychecks just disappear, right? But trust me, with a few smart strategies, you can take control of your finances and start building the future you want. First things first, let's talk about the B word: budgeting. I know, it sounds tedious, but it's honestly your superpower. It's not about restriction, it's about awareness. Start by simply tracking your spending for a month. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or even just a notebook. You'll be amazed to see where your money is actually going. Those daily fancy coffees or impulse online purchases, they add up. Once you know your spending habits, you can create a realistic budget that works for you. A great starting point is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income for needs like rent and bills, 30% for wants like dining out and hobbies, and a solid 20% for savings and debt repayment. Next, let's automate our savings. This is a game changer. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account right after you get paid. Even if it's just a small amount to start, the key is consistency. When the money is moved before you even see it, you're less tempted to spend it. Think of it as paying yourself first, because you and your financial future are the most important investment you can make. As your income grows, you can gradually increase the amount you're saving automatically. Now, let's get savvy with our everyday expenses. As working professionals, convenience often comes at a cost. Meal prepping is a fantastic way to save money and time during a busy work week. Instead of buying lunch every day, dedicate a couple of hours on Sunday to prepare your meals. It's healthier for you and your wallet. Also, before you make any non-essential purchase, implement the 48-hour rule. Wait 2 days before clicking buy. More often than not, you'll realize you don't actually need it. This simple habit helps curb impulse spending and keeps your financial goals on track. Another powerful area to focus on is negotiating and increasing your income. Don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. Research salary benchmarks for your role and industry. Build a strong case based on your accomplishments, and schedule a meeting with your manager to discuss your compensation. Even a small raise can significantly boost your savings potential over time. Also, consider a side hustle that aligns with your skills or passions. Whether it's freelance writing, consulting, or selling crafts online, a second stream of income can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Finally, let's talk about investing in ourselves, and I don't just mean financially. Invest in your financial literacy. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow financial experts who empower women. The more you know, the more confident you'll become in managing your money and making it work for you. Saving money isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about giving yourself choices, security, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. So there you have it, my top tips for saving money as a working woman. It's all about creating smart habits, being intentional, and recognizing your worth. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Drop a comment below with your best money-saving tip. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.